Hi students. What I wanted to do was to show you the assessments for this course, as there seems to be some confusion. They're all built out here in the assessments tab of my Blackboard page. These are the essays I'm planning to use for the final essay. I'm fine with you seeing them. However, should our discussions lead us in other directions, I might add to that. So if our discussions go in an interesting direction, I might come back to those in the final essays. As you can see, they're very broad, and that's a deliberate attempt on my part to allow you to draw from whatever interests you in the course. There is no signature project. I should have deleted that. It's not there anymore. There are two multiple choice tests. One is deployed in week 3, one is deployed in week 6. You will have the entirety of the week from Sunday at midnight to Sunday at midnight to do those. And there are two writing tests. One is deployed in week 4, one is deployed in week 8. Again, you will have the entirety of the week from Sunday at midnight to do those. This should answer many of your questions, but it doesn't. There's a discussion thread to help you find them. For some reason, when I go to the calendar, these tests, so if I go to our course, which is Fall 2018, 2614 and 2616, they are not appearing in the calendar, which I'm not quite sure what's going on there. I have contacted IT to see why. Maybe they will appear when they're deployed. But those are when the tests are. They'll pop up. So in week 3, week 4, week 6, and week 8, keep an eye out for the tests. Otherwise, when we navigate to the course homepage here, someone has asked this. This is a poster that I enjoy. These are the different weeks of the course. The reason they're broken into A and B is because last time I taught this course, it was a 16-week course. So I have topics for a 16-week course. We've now condensed them into an 8-week course. You will find, for instance, if you click on one of these, you will find a Prezi, an article to read, and sometimes another article to read, right? The amount of reading varies week by week. I understand the video in the Prezi is not working currently, which is fine. You can not worry about that. There are videos linked to the other Prezis. Here is the worksheet for this week. There will also be an assignment for, I need to delete these midterms. The worksheet assignment is here. You'll submit it as a Word file. So just go on to assignments for that, and you just submit it as a doc or a rich text file or whatever it is, whatever file format you are using. As you scroll down the course homepage, you'll see different content for every week. So as we get into week 2, you'll see that there is different reading here. So what I want you to do is to read these and then to go through the Prezi. If you have any questions about the Prezi, bring them to the Blackboard Collaborate session, which I'm going to try and do every week. Hopefully this has helped many of you with some of the questions you have. If not, just drop a comment in the discussion section here. If you could condense all your questions into one post, that would be very helpful. Thank you, and have a good rest of the week.